Oh, hey there guys, welcome to the channel. Thought I'd show you what I just picked up today. I got, well basically I think 13 packs of Transformers, the collectible card game, from Dollarama, and they were $1.25 a piece, basically. I got 13, opened this one up in the car. I wanted to see if it was actually a full pack. I'm not expecting to find any I guess ultra rares or legends. Like I'm looking for Nemesis Prime, but I don't know if I'm gonna find any super rare cards. But it looks like you got a full, you got a regular character in the pack, and you got your standard 7 cards as well. I think what I'm gonna do, actually I'll open these guys up and see what's inside. This game is now canceled. So I guess you're gonna start seeing deals like this at I don't know, I'm kind of surprised to see it at a dollar store. Hoping that they have the other expansions at some point, but I still need a few cards for the from the base set for my collection. So with the opportunity to grab these, I think I will actually go back and buy some more. Let's see, so far we got Sludge, now we got Swoop. Typically with Dollarama, the cards are, at least with Pokemon, you can kind of tell that they must have repackaged them, but these ones seem to be legit. And we got Starscream. So we got another uncommon. I'll open up these after. Man, it's been a little while since I've opened these. Oh man, doing a horrible job. It's funny, I actually just threw out a whole pile of these. Got 2 Starscreams in a row. This is what I'm thinking, like these are actually just packs that came out of like other boxes that already had all the rares and I guess like the ultra rares, but I'll probably find some good cards out of here. Out of the pack of 7. It's kind of fun to get a Nemesis Prime. I got the Bumblebee. I got Hound. I'm not sure if I have. I actually think I needed him, even though he's a common. Say for the premier set, might open maybe a box worth, maybe more than a box worth. So there's probably a bunch that I need. Garage I don't need. Yeah, I mean, if I get at least a rare out of all this, I will go back and get more. Something's a little off here. I got duplicates of everything so far. Wow, Starscream and Hound. Yeah, with this game being kind of canceled now, it's just a matter of trying to finish off my my sets. When this game came out, I was pretty excited that they finally have a solid, collectible card game. Ransack. Alright. Yeah, I literally bought like the last box of the last set, the Headmasters, just around the time that they canceled it. I was just getting back into it. Yeah, I don't know. So far, got 3 of him. I feel that this is, these packs might not be worth trying to buy. Unless there's just some rares that I need from here, which is all right. All right, got another sludge. And the last pack, and then we'll open up the open up these ones. And we got Cup, Common, and all right, let's go through. Okay, so we got Sludge, Barrage, Inferno, Barrage, Hound, Starscream, Swoop, Sludge. Yeah, lots of duplication going on there. Let's take a look at these. The Battle, Refraction. The bigger they are. I'm not sure if I might need this one actually. Yeah, with these small ones it might not be all bad to buy for $1.25. Might be worth just buying these packs just to get some of the rares that I need. Roll out. Yeah, I think I need those. Laser, Force Field, Brainstorm, Cybertonium Bow, Backup Plan, and Disruption. Reforce Plating, I Still Function. I actually needed more of this one. I do have a copy, but it's nice to get another one finally. After all that time. New designs, Reforce. Ah, here's another, the bigger they are. Oops. Leap into Battle. Oh wow, bigger they are. Okay, so I got 3 of got a place set in of those now. Yeah, I'm not sure if I had the card or not before. I haven't looked through my collection in some time. Okay, got a Bombing Run, Jaws of Steel. That's pretty good. Agility of Bumblebee. Crushing Treads. Alright. Nearly done here. Energon X. Yeah, that's good. I'm not sure if I had, I think I at least had 2 of these. Now I got 3, if that's the case. A few more to go. I think I'll go back and get some more. Start your engines, collateral damage, grenade launcher. New design, Dino Chomp, Plasma Burst, Turbo Boosters. Alright, get the last pack here. I think I can actually build a pretty good deck out of what's in here. Scrapper Gauntlets, Zap, Ready for Action, Pair Bay, and the Swap Parts, which is, I guess, Band and Bug Bomb. I don't recall having this one. Alright. There you go. So, that's it. Got some pretty good rares out of this lot. I'm going to see if I can get some more of these. Thanks a lot for stopping by, and have a great day.